kailangan pati mukha ko. Okay na, kahit sa simple lang, lalo na Lord,
salamat sa TCM Tansa family, lalo na sa pamumuno ni Pastor Paulo Mabasa, at nakilala ko sila. Dahil kung hindi ko nakilala ang TCM, hindi ko alam kung sino na ako ngayon at ano na ang lagay ko.
Hi TCM family! I'm very thankful for becoming my spiritual family. So through this church, God is teaching me to love and to live right. So dito ko na rin naranasan yung love, also the guidance, and the opportunity to serve through singing. Yun lang, happy anniversary TCM family!
Hi everyone! I'm glad to say a blessed 7th anniversary Triumphant Christian Ministry Tanza chapter. And in Philippians 1 verse 6 it says, being confident of this, that he who began a good work in you will carry it on to completion until the day of Christ Jesus. So let us all celebrate God's faithfulness and goodness in our lives. So God bless everyone.